Hello YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Well, I'm out here digging around in my shed. I was going to come out here and check on the CLR that I had in this tub for my green machine. I was soaking the front wheel in the CLR. It's been several months since I put it in there. I thought I'd come out and check, see how it's doing. I took my green machine apart, and the wheel that was on the rim, it's all tore up. Here's the tub. This thing was full of CLR a couple months back, I don't know, 2.5, 3 months ago. And I come in here to check on this wheel because this is the green machine wheel. It has all kinds of rust on it and been soaking in this CLR. And this summer has been so freaking hot. All the CLR that's in this tub is completely evaporated and it's gone. Over the summer, late spring, early summer, I was getting bikes for my kids to ride on the bike paths. You can see, and we went out a couple of times and kids almost got heat stroke because of the heat. It's 102 right now. That's what it says on my temperature gauge. The breeze is barely moving. And I'm sweating like a pig. I've been in my shed here for about 10 minutes now. I'm drenched with sweat. Anyways, I figure, well, CLR's all gone. I'm going to go take this wheel and I'm going to wash it off really good. And put the pedals back on, put it back on, put the seat back on, the big green. I'm going to take this BMX spare tire that I got. I'm going to take this tire and put it on that rim and the tube. And get that green machine all put back together. I originally got it because I wanted to use the rear end to make a drift trike. I went a different direction. I made a Batman type drift trike, tumbler trike, as you can see right here. And I've ridden it a couple times. It's really hard to ride on flat land. And I took it down a couple hills. I can't get this thing to spin around in a circle like drift trikes do, I see on YouTube. And this wheel, the nut keeps coming off, and the wheel kept flying off on me. And I crashed once and broke my tip out here on my Batman back fin. And scraped up my shin. And I came and I parked it, and it's been parked ever since. So yeah, it's definitely way too hot in Arizona to ride a bicycle, especially like I wanted to do in the morning and ride it, most of the day with my kids, and my kids almost got a heat stroke. It's just so freaking hot. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash this up, put it all back together, make it look like a green machine again, and put that thing up for sale because I'm not going to use it. Let me get this all cleaned up. Alright, there you have it. I got it all put back together. Believe it or not, that's washed. The green machine. Everything works good. I tried to ride it. This thing is extremely hard to keep straight. It's the back wheel here likes to move too easily. It's too, I don't know. These controllers there. Got the nice tube in there, pumped up nice and good. Put the pedals back on. These things spin a lot easier than when I first got it. It was a little rough when I first got it. And cleaned up all the rust that was on the wheel there with the CLR. I scrubbed that seat, but it's an old style plastic, and the green that you see here is from the back here or something, because this paint just keeps peeling off. Some big old tires here, man. But it's definitely too hot to ride. I'm sweating up a storm here, just trying to ride around for about 10 minutes, trying to get it up and down my carport here. And you don't need a gym membership. You just need to work outside in Arizona and you'll lose a lot of weight. There you have it, my green machine. I got this. If you go back on my channel, you'll see a video where I picked this up off of Craigslist. This guy was selling it for $5. He lived about, I don't know, 2.5 hours from me, up north of Phoenix, Arizona. And he had a friend that was coming through Tucson, and his friend brought it. We met up at Walmart. I gave him the $5, and he gave me the green machine. And the tire was rotted, and everything was rusted and corroded. It was like this right here. This right here. I'll put all over the wheel, and this is what's left. But the CLR in that bucket had already dried up and evaporated. Well, I'm going to take pictures of this and put it on Craigslist and sell it. If I don't sell it on Craigslist, I'll have a yard sale and I'll sell it. But, rolls pretty easily now. There you have it, my $5 green machine. I'm gonna go.